a few applications of loop. If you just have a look, let's say, let me just do an application. Let me say a new file. I want to take from the user a number. Let's say int input enter a number. Now what I want to do, Elton, whatever the number that the user enters, I want to enter those many elements. So let me say, instead of number, can I say enter the number of elements? Enter the number of elements. That's what I want to do. Number of elements. So I can just say element. Number of elements. Okay, what do I want to do? I want to print all the Fibonacci series. Okay, I want to print the Fibonacci series of the number of elements that the user wants. So what is a Fibonacci series? A Fibonacci series is one which starts with 0 and 1. If you remember, right, sorry, it's 0, 1. These are the two numbers in the Fibonacci series which are first by default. And after them, you just keep adding the previous two. So 0 and 1, addition is 1. Then 1 plus 1, addition is 2. Then 2 plus 1, addition is 3. 3 plus 2, addition is 5. 5 plus 3, addition is 8. 8 plus 5, addition is 13. 13 plus 8, addition is 21, right? 13 plus 8, yeah, 21. And 21 plus 13 is 34. Are these 10 elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah, these are 10 elements. So I want these to be printed by default by the minute I start executing using a looping statement. How do I do that? First of all, and I want them to be printed I don't want them to be printed one after the other or something like that. I don't want 0 to be printed first, then 1 to be printed next line, then 1 to be printed another line. Now I want them to be printed one after the other. How do I do that? Okay, I can do that by saying, alright, print. First of all, let me declare the previous two values as A and B. So the first two values, the 0 and 1 is going to be A and B. So A plus B is going to be this particular value, right? And then I should make the B value as the new A. Why as the new A? Because, let's say for example, okay, I'll just write it here. Let's say this is A and this is B. Now, let's say if this is C, where C is equal to A plus B. But when I have to calculate this too, that is the next element when I have to calculate, I need to add these two. Which means I need to make this B as the new A. The value of B, what is the value of B? 1. I should make that as A, and the value of C, which is also 1, I should make it as B. So my this 2 will be my new C. Are you able to understand? Right? That is going to be my logic. So when I have to get this 3, I need to make this B as A, and then I need to make the C as B. Are you able to understand? Yes? So initially we cannot do anything. We just need to print, the A and B. So let me say I'm going to print A comma B. Of course, we know the separation between both. Of course, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. I'll print A comma B. What is going to be the separation between A and B? If you remember, print has a keyboard argument called as sep, which is by default a single quote, or which is by default a space. And it has an end, which is by default a \n, right? So by default, the separation between A and B is going to be a space. But after printing A and B, that means after printing 0 and 1 with a space, print by default puts a new line at the end which means it would have become an enter at this point. No, I didn't want that. I want the next one to be at the same line, which means I need to pass a keyword argument to end. N should be changed from \n. It should be changed to just a space, right? Okay. With that, my A and B gets printed. Now after that, what do I need to do? I need to start for I in range. Okay, I already have finished my first and second element. Okay, I already finished up my first and second element. I need to now just print 8 more elements. So first and second element is over. I need to begin from 3 and go up till 1, 2. I need to go up till 10. So I need to start with my third element and go up till 10. So 10 will be there in elements, because in elements user will say I want 10. So elements will have 10, but range does not go up till the last value. This is always exclusive if you remember. So if you want to go up till 10, I should write elements plus 1, right? And all I need to do is, what do I need to do? I need to get C is equal to A plus B. And I need to print C. And after printing C, I should say my B's value will be stored in A. And in B, the value which you got in C will be stored, which means after 0 and 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. That 1 is there in C. That means that 1 is there in C. That means that print C, there's a third element. Okay. Now I should make this B as the new A, which I did. B, I equated it to A, and the value of C, I equated it to B, right? Now I need to just print C. But when I print C, we can have a look what happens, right? I'll just store this saying Fibo, save, F5, enter the number of elements, 10. Okay, it goes 0, 1. Then it gives you a space, and then 1, and then it goes from 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 to a 34. Oh, that's fine. The calculation is right. But what is wrong? Somewhere we do not get spaces after each of them. So what should I do? I should put spaces by saying sep equal to space. Sep equals space. With this, enter the number of elements. There we go. 10th. Oops, not sep, end. I need to redefine the end after everything, right? Function F5. Okay. Enter the number of elements, 10. There they are. You can have even 20, and still you can get some huge numbers, which you could not do it yourself for now, right? So this is how a for loop or a looping statement works. Okay?